Hello friends, today we are going to learn about ratio and proportion. This is the question which is a second level of question. I have already discussed the basic question, the stage 1 question. This is the question which gives you a lot of new idea about how to approach to the problem and how to solve the problem if the given data is too much. Okay, so you have to simplify this in a simple form, and then you can proceed it by writing all the data as given in the question. So let us see how this is going to be solved. So the question is, the sum of the ages of three friends is 122 if the ratio of the ages of the oldest to the middle one, the oldest to the middle one is 5 is to 4, and that of the middle one to the youngest is 5 is to 4. How much older is the oldest of the lot than the youngest? Here you can see the both the ratios are same. Understood? If you see the basic videos of mine, you can find that if the ratio is same, you can see that by taking the proper LCM of the ratio and then multiplying that number with the subsequent ratio, so that you will be getting the ratio as equal, and after that you will be substituting the value as equal to the given number. So here you can see 5 is to 4 and 5 is to 4 is common, but here you have three scenarios, three friends are there, so you are comparing the age between three friends. So I can write first friend, second friend and third friend. So first is to second is given as 5 is to 4, and second is to third is given as 5 is to 4. So what we are going to do is that we'll be taking the LCM of 4 and 5. So the LCM of 4 and 5 is how much? Is 20. Understood? So after taking the LCM, so I will multiply this 5 with this ratio. So this will become 5 into 5, 25, and 5 into 4, 20. And again this is, I have taken the LCM of 4 and 5, then I will multiply this 4 with 5, so it will become 20, and this 4 with 4, so it becomes 16. So you can find that the age of the middle one is now 20. So I have find the ratio of the second one, I make it the ratio of second one as equal. So now I can write this one as 25x plus 20x plus 16x equal 122. So this is the solution which we are going to see in the next slide. So this is how you can approach. So I have taken first, second and third friend. So the first to second ratio is given as 5 is to 4, and second to third ratio is given as 5 is to 4. So I will be taking the ratio of 4 and 5, that is 20. And then I will multiply this 5 into this 5. So 5 into 5, 25, and this 5 into this 4, the 5 into 4, 20. Again this 4 into 5 is 20, and this 4 into 4 is 16. So I can compute this value in the next table. So let us try to rewrite the ratio by making the middle term 20. So I make it this middle term, you can see that this middle term is now 20. And now you can see the overall ratio, now it becomes 25 is to 20 is to 16. Now as I have solved in the previous videos questions, if you find something like that, you can compare, you will be taking this one as x, 25x, 20x plus 16x equal 122. Hence you will be getting the summation of all this is 61x equal 122. It will go by 2 times, so x equal to 2. So what they are asking, how much older is the oldest of the lot than the youngest? So they are asking the difference between the oldest and the youngest after finding the oldest value and youngest value. So let us find what is the oldest value. Here the oldest value is 25. So 25 into x, that is 50, and the youngest is 16x, that is 16 into x is 2, so 32. And And at last they are asking what is the difference between oldest to the youngest. So 50 minus 32 you are getting as difference as 18. So this kind of problem you should know how to make the ratios equal. After finding them, compute with the value which is given in the problem, and hence you will be easily able to solve the problem. Hope this question will help you to understand a little bit more about the ratio and proportion. Thank you for watching.